Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. Dodge is very proud about this Challenger. You're going to notice in the front the Dodge emblem in chrome lettering spread out along the front edge there, the bright white racing stripe along the back, the Challenger emblem again in chrome and script, and the SRT on black on the left-hand side of the grille there. When you're sitting in the driver's seat, one of the things that's going to stand out to you immediately is going to be the nice carbon fiber wrapped center console and instrument cluster. The gauges are a red-faced racing style background. It's an 8.4 inch Uconnect screen, and the Alcantara suede wraps out the door panels as well, giving a nice racing style interior to this absolute performance machine. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. Dodge produced 7 final edition vehicles, the Black Ghost being one of those. They made 300 Black Ghosts. That equates to one for every 8 Dodge dealers, as there's almost 2,500 Dodge dealers in the United States. We were lucky enough to get one of the few that were allocated to the state of Florida. All of that means that this is going to be a very sought after and collectible vehicle for generations moving forward. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.